Good morning guys, and welcome to today's video on using a calculator. Right guys, this video was filmed on Wednesday the 8th of July 2020. Right guys, if you're new, welcome. My name is Abdallah Wahishi and I'm a private maths tutor and a recently qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary. I make videos for Key Stage 1, Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, GCSE and A-level maths. Okay, and please do subscribe if you're new here. So hit that subscribe button and like my video and enable notifications by pressing the bell icon so you guys can be notified of when my uploads are going to be. Right guys, let's get on actually with today's lesson. Learning objective history. Okay, so grade 2-3. Right, so to be able to know the functions of a calculator, to be able to perform operations on the calculator, and to have plenty of practice here of like doing this. Okay, so this is our calculator that we're going to be looking at. Okay, so this is what I call a scientific calculator, guys. Okay. Right, guys, like example one actually. Okay, so calculations with a calculator. So we want to work out the square root of 3 times 4 plus 6 divided by 7. Okay, so first of all, actually, so using our calculator, so we press the square root button, okay, which is that button there. Okay, then I would put a fraction button, okay. So fraction button is the one that looks like this. So you got the two boxes, okay, which is that one there. Okay, so square root, it might be a bit hard to see actually. Square root is that one there. Okay. So yeah, then I'd put in my numbers. So 3 times 4 plus 6 divided by 7. Okay, so 12 plus 6 is 18 divided by 7 is equal to that. And then I take the square root of it. Okay, and then I get that. Okay, so that is what is displayed on my calculator, guys. Okay, so that is what is displayed here on my calculator. Right, guys, example 2. Okay, so use your calculator to work out, 23.7 times 14.2 divided by 8.7 times 3.2. Okay, so write down all the figures here and display that on your calculator. So you using the fraction button here on your calculator, right? Okay, so the fraction button is right there. Okay, so you press it and then you would then type in your numbers. So 23.7 multiplied by 14.2 divided by 8.4 times 3.2. Okay, and then I'll get an answer of 16,827 over 544, okay, which can also be written actually as a mixed number actually if you're interested. Okay, but this is my final answer here, so this is the answer on my calculator: 30.93198529. Okay, so I hope it makes sense so far, guys. If you're not sure yet, obviously, obviously feel free to obviously ask me in the comment section at the end. Okay, if you're not sure. Right, guys, example 3. Okay, so use your calculator to work out 3 times 4 plus 5 minus 51 divided by 12. Okay, so I'll put it in actually, so it's a fraction button first. Okay, and then I work it out, so I get minus 34 divided by 12, which is minus 17 over 6, so I've divided top and bottom by 2. Okay, and then I get minus 17 over 6, which is minus 2.8333333 actually. Or it might be written actually, as minus 2.83 with a dot on the 3, which implies that it is reoccurring. Okay, a little dot on the 3. Should be a dot there, not like, a dot, sorry. Okay, so that is how I would work that one out, guys. Okay, so that is my answer. Right, guys, okay, so pause the video. Okay, obviously, try these questions, obviously, with your calculator. So pause the video, actually, try these questions, and then I'm going to put the answers here on the next slide, actually. So pause the video, try these questions, and then press play once you're obviously ready to see the answers. Right, guys, here are the answers. Okay, so mark your work. Okay, if I have made a mistake, guys, yeah, please do obviously let me know also in the comments section. Okay, so they're my answers. Okay, guys, right, guys, end the lesson. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe here. If you're new, drop the video a like, enable notifications by pressing the bell icon so you guys can be notified when my uploads are. Yeah, and also obviously share my videos actually with like anyone that you think actually might find it useful. Yeah, and obviously comment below here if you've got any questions or queries or any topics that you want me to cover. I'll be more than happy to do actually. Okay, and I wanted to like a last point actually, guys. So we've actually just passed the 100 subscribers actually. So I'm very grateful. So thank you so much, guys. Actually, I really do appreciate it. So thank you very much. Okay, let's keep going actually, and then I want to try and hit 1,000 actually by the end of the year. Okay, is my target. Well, guys, next lesson we're gonna look at multiplying decimals. Okay, so that will be tomorrow's video. Okay, so tomorrow's lesson. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, and I hope everyone's doing okay actually this summer. Okay, and then lastly, they are our other like useful YouTube channels. So Maths Chelsea, Corbett Maths, TO Maths, Maths Explained Well, Tayoub Majid, and Primo's Kitten. Okay, so check those ones out, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I hope everyone's doing okay. Happy Wednesday. Okay, bye now.